What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm Dr. Leanna, owner of Chiropractic, and while I'm talking, I'm going to put some of these cups on. I already tried to kind of put one right there, see if it would stick, but I'm going to show how it's kind of easy to put them on yourself, but it's a lot easier if someone does it for you. But in this case, I got these off Amazon. They're plastic ones. This is the little suction gun that you use. A lot of times it'll come with like a little hose type deal so that you can get to areas a little bit better. Takes the suction away, but alright, so I got all the cups on that I basically could. Kind of one on the shoulder, the pec, the bicep tendon, then one on the upper trap, and then one kind of on the supraspinatus right above the shoulder blade. So the main topic of this video and the clips you'll see is he was a new patient. He's never been to a chiropractor, never been adjusted, so which still blows my mind. But his main question was, does it hurt? Does adjustments hurt? He was actually scared, which is also funny because it's not meant to be scary. I think it's just when people aren't aware of what's really going on, they come into the office scared, and that happens like pretty much with every single new patient. They're just a little timid. But adjustments aren't ever meant to hurt. They shouldn't hurt. Sometimes they're a little bit uncomfortable, but that's just because you're putting an impulse into someone's body, a new stimulus, and sometimes your body doesn't accept it right away. It doesn't like it, and it just takes a while for your body to adapt to that stimulus. So over time it gets more and more comfortable. You adjust easier over time, most of the time. But like for him, for example, super easy to adjust, and adjusted him head to foot. Everything went well. And another question is, do I have to get my neck adjusted? I want to go to the chiropractor, but I don't want to get my neck adjusted. And you never have to get your neck adjusted. I always tell people it's your body and your pain, so whatever you want adjusted, I'll do. Like if you just want your mid-back adjusted, then that's perfectly fine. So your chiropractor should never make you get something adjusted if you are not comfortable with it. But I asked him, I always ask people because it's backfired on me in the past. People say that they're cool with getting their neck adjusted, and then you adjust it and they lose their mind and write a nasty review about you. But yeah, that's for another video. But yeah, I always make sure that people are totally cool with everything I'm doing, especially if they're a new patient and have never been to a chiropractor. So he was cool with it all. So those are the clips you'll be watching next. Again, I don't have anyone to film for me, so they're limited clips and you can't really see everything, but I don't want to be rude. I don't want to be constantly moving a camera around when I'm trying to treat people. So eventually I'll have someone film for me, but for right now, you're gonna have to deal with it. So enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna keep these on for like a total of like 10 to 15 minutes. It already feels super good. Where was I at? Enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you are not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Wow, that one's getting red already, see? Yeah. Come on, setting from a rocking boat. I just wanna stay afloat. I'm all alone. Need a little back pain when I do that? No. Okay. One, two, there. So you're going to take a breath in and out. Yep. Just drop your shoulders. See the through a little bit. Yep. Grab. You're gonna feel like you're gonna fall off.